Not sure when to make Japanese adjectives negative? Stay with me. In this video, I will show you the two exact pattern native speaker use to say not plus adjective in Japanese. So by the end, you will be able to take any new adjective you learn, instantly flip it into its correct negative form, and use it naturally with this in your own sentences. Let's begin. Let's start with the pen. First, I-adjective. Pattern, drop I, add kunai. So, Okii, big, Okikunai, not big. Chizai, small. Chizakunai, not small. Atarashi, new. Atarashi kunai, not new. Now put them into full sentences with des. Kono hon wa okikunai desu. This book is not big. Ano ino wa chisakunai desu. That dog is not small. In Venom term, the nominal part is kono hon, ano ino. The verbal part is okikunai desu. Chisakunai desu. Now na-adjective. Pattern, drop na, add janai. Remember, na-adjective need a helper. We are modifying the helper pattern, not the word itself. Shizuka na, quiet. Shizuka janai, not quiet. Yume na, famous. Yume janai, not famous. Benri na, convenient. Benri janai, not convenient. Now, full sentences. Kono toshokan wa Shizuka janai desu. This library is not quiet. Ano hito wa yume janai desu. That person is not famous. Same meaning, not plus adjective, but the pattern match the Venom side, I or na. Here's your 2-second brain test. Step 1. Is it I adjective or na adjective? Step 2. Apply the correct pattern. If it ends in I and is an I adjective, use tem plus kunai. If it needs na in front of the noun, use tem plus janai. So, Okii is an I adjective, so the negative is Okikunai. Shizuka na is a na adjective, so the negative is Shizuka janai. Your brain just need to answer I or na, and the rest is automatic. Let's do quick practice together. Say the negative before I say it. Okii, it's an I adjective. Negative? Yes, Okikunai. For example, Okikunai home desu. It's a not big book. Shizuka, as in Shizuka na toshokan. Na adjective. Negative? Yes, Shizuka janai. For example, Shizuka janai toshokan desu. It's not quiet library. Yume, as in yume na hito. Na adjective. Negative? Yes, yume janai. For example, yume janai hito desu. He or she is not famous. Atarashi, I adjective. Negative? Yes, atarashi kunai. For example, atarashi kunai kuruma desu. It's not a new car. If your brain starts to see I, kunai, and na, janai without translating into English every time, you are already thinking in Venom pattern, not random rules. Now your homework. In the comment, write 3 sentences in Japanese. 1 sentence with an I adjective in the negative using kunai desu. 1 sentence with a na adjective in the negative using janai desu. And 1 mini comparison, like X is big, Y is not big, using both positive and negative. For example, kono hon wa okii desu. Demo kono hon wa okikunai desu. Use your own noun and adjectives. I will check the comment and tell you if your negatives are correct. If you still feel shaky about I adjective versus na adjective in positive form, remember the adjective final clear video is linked in the description. Watch that next, so you have the full map of Japanese adjectives inside the Venom system. Then come back and rewatch this negative video if needed. Click that video in the description now. Keep building your adjective power and make your Japanese finally logical. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.